I was doing it for Owen and Lily. I did all of that. Yeah, that's right. Exactly.
There you go. Oh my god,
Okay.
it's heavy.
Yeah, leather jacket.
Oh, it won't fit me.
Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
it will. Yes, it will.
You gotta be warm enough. You can't go cold.
See? It fits.
Yeah, it's his wife's jacket.
You don't have to zip it off.
You don't have to zip it up. You don't want
She's
to.
never
You
been
don't
on
zip
a
it
boat.
up. I wrote down
never
there
been
earlier
on a
with it.
Oh, never been.
Okay, ready?
No.
There you go, big girl.
You put one leg, you put your foot.
Put your foot on there.
Okay.
Like a horse. Like a horse.
Like a horse. Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah.
I
Seriously.
Put it over. Come on.
All the way over.
Sorry.
Get it?
I'm sorry.
Okay, now Gord has wings on his coat.
His wings on
Yeah,
his coat.
so if you want to hang on, that's where you're hanging on.
You don't have to hang on.
You don't have to.
I'll be too scared.
Okay.
Oh, don't worry, we won't
Lean
fall over.
forward.